Morning students, today we study about the law of dominance. This is the very important topic of the lesson Principles of Inheritance and Variations, class 12 biology. So let us we go through the law. Law of dominance states that, or the statement of law is that in a heterozygote trait, one trait will cancel the presence of another trait. It means the dominant trait or dominant characters overlap the recessive character, है ना? For the same character, while both alleles contributing to a phenotype. phenotype बनाने के लिए दोनों alleles का contribution होता है, that is dominant as well as recessive. Both alleles contributing the phenotype. The dominant allele will be expressed exclusively. Means डोमिनेंट एलील के कारण ही F1 जनरेशन में वो कैरेक्टर्स जो डोमिनेंट एलील के कारण आते हैं वो दिखलाई देते हैं और रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर्स ओवरलैप मींस हिडन हो जाते हैं. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ, इफ ए क्रॉस इज डन बिटवीन द टू pea plants, that is one is the tall plant, another is the dwarf pea plant. This is the pair of the parents. This tall allelic pair show the dominant traits or dominant characters, and the tallness is the dominant, while the small t show the recessive characters. When a cross is made between these, then these are the gametes. These are the G1, P1, G1. Gametes number 1. When a cross is made between them, then all types of heterozygous this is the F1. So these are the heterozygous tall, or we can say that these are the hybrid tall. So all hybrid tall plants were produced in F1 generation. So this is the law of dominance. What are the characteristic features of the law? Here, the characters are controlled by factors. This is very important one. Factors, एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता, what are the Mendelian factors? Because at the time of Mendel, genes were not discovered. Hence, Mendel said that some factors are responsible to transfer the characters from one generation to another generation. तो इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन बनता है, what are the Mendelian factors? हैंड टू हैंड देखिए, what are the Mendelian factors? This is 1 mark important question. So we can say that genes are the Mendelian factors, and these factors occur in pairs. Pairs में होते हैं, just like this is the allelic pair, capital T, it denotes the tall plants. Small t, it denotes the dwarf plant. That is, dwarfness is the recessive character here, while tallness is the dominant character. So in F1 generation, this tall, this P, this alleles, the dominant allele expressed here. यहाँ पे क्या था? While both alleles contributing to a phenotype. Phenotype means that is the external characters. कैसे दिखाई दे रहे हैं? All plants are tall. So this is the law of dominance. Now, law of segregation. It is also known as purity of gametes. Actually, both of the Mendelian two laws, that is law of dominance and law of segregation or purity of gametes, is based on the monohybrid cross, because here only one contrasting character is taken into consideration. So this law states that, statement of the law is that the alleles do not show only blending and both the characters are recovered as such in F2 generation, or we can say that the characters which are combined in F1 generation, हमें लग रहा था कि F1 generation में वो combined हो गए because the smallness or dwarfness is overlapped by the tallness. We can say that the recessive character, that is small plants characters, are recovered or overlapped by the dominant character, that is tallness. But actually that one of these is not seen at the F1 stage, और F1 stage में यानी कि recessive character दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था because in F1 generation all tall plants were produced. Thus parents contains the two alleles during the gamete formation, and the factors or the alleles of a pair segregate in F2 generation and have a phenotype 3:1 and genotype 1:2:1. ये कैसे होता है हम इसे देखें, और we can say that because the characters which are combined together in F1 generation, यानी कि वहां पे केवल क्या था भाई, आपके only dominant और hybrid tall plants were produced, and these characters जो एक दूसरे के साथ ब्लेंड हो गए थे, हमें लग रहा था ऐसा, हालांकि वैसा नहीं हुए थे, हमें ऐसा लग रहा था. Now they get separated into F2 generation, hence it is called as purity of gametes. Gametes की purity ऐसी बनी जैसी उनकी थी. तो let us we go through the pros. These are the hybrid plants of the F1 generation, जो इससे पहला था, इसे हमने बोला parents 2. Now selfing, ये selfing का साइन होता है. Cross is made between both plants. Here these are the gametes, इन्हें हमने कहा भाई G2 gametes. When a cross is made, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and small t, small t. This is F2. So this is the result of law of segregation. Now we find that, हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर phenotype. तो phenotype में these are the external, जो morphological external characters होते हैं. We find that this is tall, and these two are also tall, but these are hybrid tall, and this one is the dwarf. तो हमें देखने में कैसे लगे भाई, 3 plants were tall and 1 was dwarf. तो phenotype character is the 3:1. 3:1, that is tall and dwarf ratio. Genotype character, what type of genes, यानी कि alleles किस तरह की genes से बने pair, because factors occur in the form of alleles and alleles occur in the pairs. तो किस तरह के factors हैं हम देखें यहाँ पे, यानी कि किस तरह के allelic pairs में factors हैं. This is the capital T, capital. This is one is the pure tall. These two, they two are the hybrid tall. The allelic pair consisting of the capital T and small t. Capital T, small t. तो दो किस तरह के हुए भाई? These are the hybrid tall, and one is the pure dwarf. This is recessive character. So we can say that genotype of the F2 generation is the 1:2:1. One is the pure tall. Two are the hybrid tall, and one is the pure dwarf. ये तो है dwarf, pure. This is the dwarf. So this is the genotype ratio. Now this law is known as purity of gametes. एक बार फिर से देखिए. Here these characters in F1 generation कहां से आए थे भाई? जब हमने एक लिया था डोमिनेंट यानी कि कैपिटल ट्री, दूसरा था इसका जो प्लांट था, दिस इज द ड्वार्फ प्लांट. तो टॉल प्लांट और ड्वार्फ प्लांट के बीच जब हमने क्रॉस कराया तो वी फाइंड द हाइब्रिड टॉल. लाइक दिस। F1 जनरेशन में हमें मिला था हाइब्रिड। जब इन हाइब्रिड टॉल के बीच हम फर्दर क्रॉस कराते हैं, we find that in F2 generation 4 kind of plants are produced. One is pure tall, 2 are hybrid tall, 1 is the pure dwarf. So this is the genotype. और हमें मॉर्फोलॉजिकली तीन हमें दिखाई दिए लंबे, तो 3 are the tall, 1 is dwarf और 2 hybrid tall, that is the 3 tall, 1 dwarf. तो phenotype ratio 3:1, genotype ratio 1:2:1. One important fact about this law is that this is the universally accepted law, most important one. 1 mark important question. This is the universally accepted law. That is no exception of this law have been occurred. इसका कोई भी एक्सेप्शन नहीं है, इसका कोई भी अपवाद नहीं है. And another important thing is that both of the law of dominance and law of segregation is based on the monohybrid cross. Here only one contrasting character, that is height of the plant, is considered into during the cross. So this is all about the law of segregation and law of dominance. Thank you and have a nice day.